Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why choose Google Analytics tracking code. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website's traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of using Google Analytics tracking code and how it can help you make data-driven decisions. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics tracking code is a small piece of JavaScript code that you add to your website. This code allows Google Analytics to collect data about your website's traffic, including page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. One of the key benefits of using Google Analytics tracking code is that it provides you with accurate and reliable data. With this data, you can gain insights into how your website is performing, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. Another benefit of using Google Analytics tracking code is that it helps you track your website's conversion rates. Conversion rates refer to the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. By tracking your conversion rates, you can see which pages and marketing campaigns are driving the most conversions and adjust your strategies accordingly. In addition to tracking conversion rates, Google Analytics tracking code also allows you to track your website's traffic sources. This means you can see where your visitors are coming from, whether it's from social media, search engines, or other websites. This information can help you identify which marketing channels are driving the most traffic to your website and adjust your strategies to focus on the most effective channels. To get started with Google Analytics tracking code, you will need to create a Google Analytics account and add the tracking code to your website. This is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. Once you have added the tracking code, you can start collecting data and gaining insights into your website's performance. Best practices for using Google Analytics tracking code include regularly reviewing your data to identify trends and areas for improvement, using filters to exclude internal traffic and bots, and setting up goals and events to track specific actions on your website. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Google Analytics tracking code and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance. In conclusion, Google Analytics tracking code is a powerful tool that provides you with accurate and reliable data about your website's traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. By using this data, you can gain insights into your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. Whether you are a small business owner or a large corporation, Google Analytics tracking code is an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their website's performance and drive more conversions.